So here I'm discussing about that how to create events on Google Plus. How to create events on Google Plus. Please write down URL plus.google.com/events. Plus.google.com/events. Google Plus we can open like this plus.google.com. Google.com/plus/events. So you can follow only for this one plus.google.com/events. Now here click for create a event. First of all, add your theme here. Any theme or else change theme. Upload image. Select on your desktop. Add your image here. So already default images are there. Add your own image. Event is always your own image. Just take the time here. Wait for a second. So yeah, upload is going on here. Select it. Then click for save the theme. Done. Now event. Digital marketing. Certification. Course. Event option. Guest can invite other peoples. Guest can add photos. Hide guest list. Suppose you are anybody coming to going and maybe can like all option we can guest will be what's called hide. If we request, now click here also. But I have clicked the open. Now date. Tomorrow will be morning class. I fixed by 11 a.m. here. End time. Same here. 31st. Here. Time for 1 p.m. Start date and end date along with the time. Same date 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. That is called here. See, they're showing for only for default timings. 1:30, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2:30 like this. The time will be fixed by or half an hour or 1 hour. Now, location. You can fix the location here. Suppose I'm in India. I can promote by yes. Wait, which location? California. I promote by California also. Right now I'm in Madhapur. You can select by Madhapur. Suppose I'm in Hyderabad. Select it. Here. Now. Course. Hyderabad. Along with real time project. So I give the number here to invite your circle or public circle here. You can add by your groups. So I'm adding it only for DigitalMarketing group, only for external group. When adding this here, your circle, public and external circle and your group. So I'm adding for one more. Zero. Zero is called. These are all your communities. Where we add a communities? Your page. Now just here. Click what do you click for? Invite. So done. I'm creating invitation for events and send by the groups also and my profile also. Now it's started. If anybody add, what is that? Share on your event. Just click here. What is that? Are you going? Yes. I add your list here. One will be added here. See here. First will be yes. Second will be maybe. Third will be no. Three options. Yes, maybe or no options. And share your location and time and date. And they can what is the providing for here also details. Suppose you have to change the event details. What is that? 8 event. They're possible only for owners, not for the guest. Now click. I can share my content here. Suppose First save. Now they can easily understand my complete scenario. Complete my score scenario. They easily come into our page here. Is it clear? If you have invite more, invite, see this. Following, these are options. You can search by the any persons also. It's select it, invite them here. This called invite mode and message. See here, not response. No message. You can write any message here. Just simple here. Digital marketing classroom weekend trainings along with real time project. Is it clear? This is about your message. Now clear? First of all, invite time. When you create time, you can invite the any peoples. Suppose I have to show any demo for a year. Show for any demo for your digital marketing. Just here, I can go to YouTube channel here. But I'm adding with the demo for adding for content purpose. I can share by your website also. Now go to your channel here. Click for videos. So I'm selecting here. So for new visitor, I'm adding with the what is called demo here. Now click close. Demo here. Click for share. Then if you click there, going to where YouTube for demo purpose. So ready for all content also. But event minimum time required for 1 week time before you can create the event. Not for day before. Before the 1 week, 7 days. That is getting the more popularity. The option is called share your event. Where you're adding the groups. Just look here. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Click for share. Automatically shared by where? Your groups. Now click for share. I can share by multiple groups. Look here. Carefully watch. But what is the group? Nothing but Google plus communities. If you're not adding the community, what is the use? We can't share your events. Community purpose is share your content, events, website traffic, and YouTube traffic also. Now yeah, generate here. Digital marketing. Now second here, 13 for discussion. See, any one group will be accepted or sharing time. Any one group will be accepting for sharing your event. Please write down after create the event. If you share the event for Google Plus communities, after creating event, if you're sharing for other communities, at a time they accept only for one community. At a time open for one community only. So here this is very important from your interview also. If anybody asking the question after creating event, how many community we can share? You can share only for one community. Is it clear? This is called Google Plus events.